Hello viewers, in this video I want to show everyone on how to import survey data from Notepad into AutoCAD. So this is a Notepad survey data.txt, and you can see how it is exported from the total station, or depending from any equipment you have used to observe your data on site. So this is how it is. So on your basic AutoCAD, there are no options to import it directly the way it is. So there's a need for you to rearrange and filter your data for it to be readable directly into your AutoCAD workspace. So there's a need to copy the instance first, then comma, nothings, just the way you are seeing on this next tab. This is how you are to filter your data. So after you filter your data, you can now copy all of it. However, if you are making use of your Civil 3D, there is an advantage for you to import your data this way directly. Alright, both your descriptions and your elevations, okay? But on your basic AutoCAD, you cannot import this way. So depending on the tools you have to make use of the method that is suitable for you, okay? But you can check the description of this video in case you want to add both the description and the elevation into your basic AutoCAD. There is a video on that. However, in this video I just want to copy all of my points. After you highlight, then you can copy, make sure it is arranged, instance, comma, nothings. Then you can now come to your AutoCAD workspace, then type UN, enter. So there's a need to set up your unit depending on what you want. Okay, so just set up your unit accurately. After you set your unit, you can now type P type to set up your node. Alright, so this point style you have to set up based on how large and how small you want it to be. So I just prefer this particular point type. Alright, you click on OK. After you're done with that, you can now click on this drop down here. Then you can now click on multiple points, this icon, click on it. So it will give you the advantage. Then you can come to your command line, then you Ctrl V to paste all your coordinates, that is your survey data. Just Ctrl P to paste, then you click on escape when you are done. So you can see these are my survey points on my survey data. So if you can't see yours, maybe it's just somewhere that you can see, click on zoom extent so you can see your survey data. So this is how to import survey data from Notepad directly .txt into your AutoCAD. The disadvantage of this, or the limitation, is that you can't see your point description. That's why I recommend using the script method, which is under the video description. You can watch that so that all of the points we have description, you can know which point is which on your AutoCAD environment. Okay, if you find this video helpful, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep on getting valuable tutorial from you. Thank you. See you in the next video.